Yo guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Gold unboxing today. So what I am buying, and again, one time I put video about my strategy and many doesn't like it. Many people don't like it. One guy said, oh, you know, go and sell it or eBay, you know, for prices you ask. It's so funny. I didn't say it's your strategy. I say it's my strategy. And here I'm going to tell you why. Now you can look into the strategy and you can say, you know what? I like it. Okay, I'm going to do the same. Or I don't like it. But it's your strategy. Okay? So coming back to my strategy. Last days I'm buying Austrian 1 Ducat gold heavily. And I'm here to explain you why. Okay, here a silver gold bull. I bought it 220 bucks. I bought 5. Then I bought again 220 bucks. Again 5. So they left with how many? They left with 24 left, guys. Okay, this is just a excellent price for 1 Ducat, around 220 bucks. And also 20 franc gold coin, it's also excellent price. So let me show why. Okay, here I put you just example for you guys. Again, why I am keeping my strategy. This is 1 Ducat, this is 20 francs, and this is American Gold Eagle. Okay, this is all fraction. First of all, I'm all in fraction and I'm all in coins, not in bars. Okay, you like bars, go and buy bars, and then have a hard time to sell. Gold bars are not for peer-to-peer transactions. This is what I learned. Okay, people prefer coins. Why? Because it's in our blood. Coins were in domination. A long time ago, historical, not a bars. This is why I keep coins, and this is why I keep a fraction. Okay, you want to like it, you don't like it, it's your problem, not mine. I just sharing you my experience and my strategy. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. So first of all, here is the gold ounce. How much of gold in these coins? Okay, so you can see here, Ducat is 0.11 ounce. It's more than 110. Okay, it's more than 110. It's 111. Okay, 0.11. The franc gold Helvenia, it's 0.18, and gold eagle is 110, right? Everyone wants gold eagle, okay? But I'll explain you why I'm not buying it. Okay, very simple. So here is the prices you can see today, guys. It look like American Gold Eagle 230 and this Ducat is 220, right? Why buy Ducat? But here is a proof, okay, why I'm buying Ducat. This is price per ounce of gold. And if you buy Ducat on 220 bucks and it is more than 0.1, it's a 111 per portion, 111 of 1 ounce. So you're getting price $2,000 per ounce. Go find today $2,000 for fraction gold. Mission impossible. Okay, and then for American Gold Eagle 110, you will be paying $2,300, guys. You see the difference? You see the difference per ounce? So if I accumulated 10 coins like this, I'm getting 10 coin, I'm getting 10% more gold for $2,000. If I'm accumulating 10 coins of this, I will pay $300. You understand? $300 I will pay on 1 ounce of gold in fraction. And here, I pay just $2,000. It's excellent price. It's the same for Helvetia. The only negative for Helvetia, you pay more. You pay $375. Okay, you pay more, so it's less fraction than 1 Ducat. You pay more, but it's more beautiful in my eyes. 20 francs. Okay, and the price per ounce is very similar. These two are very similar. Okay, so this is why, guys, in my book, I prefer this, and also don't forget they are historical, they are beautiful, okay, and it was in our history, okay, so I'm all in fraction gold, historical, and the cheapest gold, guys. You need to understand, at the end of the day, it's like, do I have fraction? Yeah. Do I have the cheapest gold possible? You know, this is also very important. Okay, so stay tuned. I'm going to unpack, and these two coins are beautiful coins. So my next purchase will be Helvetia, 20 francs gold Swiss. Okay, so this Ducat is beautiful. Also I forget to add, it's a big surface. It is this Ducat is 20 millimeter. Okay, if you compare, I will show you one Ducat now and you know, the American Gold Eagle 110, and you will see the difference. How big this coin, how big it look like in compared to 110 ounce. Okay, so it look like bigger. It has more gold and it costs less. You understand? So all preferences, you know, for smart ape like silverGameOfThrone. Okay, stay tuned. I'm going to unbox now. So here we go. Welcome back to my new channel. Real stuff only. Okay, so this is silver gold bull. Okay, good packaging as usual. I like it. Oh, by the way, I was talking to Monumental Metals, you know, about this Jane Bond bar. Very good package, very nice. Thank you very much. And they will replace it. So they send me prepaid label, and I already shipped it. Okay, for people who ask it, they will replace it. Okay. Oh wow! They sent me. Bravissimo! Ha! They sent me this tube. I asked them for tube, and you know, the guy told me we cannot send you in tube because we don't care tubes. Okay, but they found the tube. Wow! Thank you very much, Silver Gold Bull. Thank you very much. Okay, here we go. Here we go. One Ducat, random year, one Ducat, okay, 10 pieces, 10 pieces. I bought 5, bought another 5, because as I show you, it's an excellent price, guys. It's $2,000 per ounce for fraction gold, okay, go and find out, $2,000. I saw people are buying, you know, bars for the same price. Wow. That's a nice tube, guys. I was not able to find a tube, okay? Okay, 1 second, let me show you something. I do have a tubes like this, but they are too small, they are for pennies, you see? And this is a bigger tube, okay? Wow, it's very nice, it's very nice. I was thinking how I can stack it, you know, for more, and they found a tube. Thank you very much. You know, I don't want to put in capsule, because I have many of them, you know, so I was thinking, you know, to keep it somehow in tube, but I'm having hard time to find a tube. Now I have it. Okay, so very cool, very cool. So I may not use capsule if, okay. Oh wow, that's very nice package. Look like the tube is totally new, totally new. Never used before. Yeah, so as I say, this Ducat is an excellent value to me, okay? Not only in historical. I know it's a restrike, but even restrike, you know, guys, you know, for 2,000 ounce per gold, okay, today, wow, it's just beautiful. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Beautiful gold. Beautiful gold. Wow. For $2,000 per ounce, guys, okay? That's uncirculated. That's uncirculated, guys. You basically easy can put it in slab. Wow, that's all uncirculated. It's all BU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what? I'm going to buy more. I'm going to buy more. Definitely I'm going to buy more. You know, such a beautiful gold, guys. And you know, and I wasn't sure what is condition, you know, because when I bought it, I was thinking, okay, let me first get it and then I may buy more. But with such condition, oh wow, that is just unbelievable. Okay, that is just unbelievable good. Okay, so yeah, that's a gold. Very interesting how it look like. Look like a silver, right, to me? Wow. So beautiful, so nice. So beautiful and so nice. Okay? Yeah, now it changed the color from silver to gold. Very nice, very nice. Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to send this video to Silver Gold Bull and just to show them that I appreciate, you know, I appreciate this tube, you know. It's very hard to get. Very hard to get. I was looking on eBay and such diameter, 20 millimeter probably, it's hard to get, you know. I was not able to find. Okay, now I know how to stack. Wow, just wow. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to validate it. I'm going to check it, you know. So just wanted to show you guys how I am stacking gold. Interesting. You see it going gold and then it going kind of silver color. Very interesting. From gold to silver. The color is changing. Wow. Very cool. I'm excited. I am actually excited to see so good quality, guys. Very cool. Okay, stay tuned. silverGameOfThrone was with you, showing you why I'm stacking gold. You see it? Kind of silver color. Silver, and then it's kind of, I don't know why. Very interesting. It doesn't look like gold, it looks like a silver color to me when I see video. Very nice. Okay, maybe because it's too much glossy. silverGameOfThrone was with you, showing you my strategy. Again, you don't need to copy my strategy, but these coins, guys, for $2,000 an ounce, it's just no brain to me. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Love you all, and put your comments. What do you think? All the best, guys. Bye bye.